If you see the Temu-Tent, do not approach. I am a 14-year-old D of ear. I was camping in the woods when I saw a strange green presence glowing inside a tent with a peculiar pink bus parked outside. Using the smartphone, duct tape, and wooden beams I had snuck on my person for the trip, I improvised an overhanging scaffold to see what was up. I soon saw a miniature tinfoil disc fly out the tent, piloted by a strange green occupant with 2 antennae and a dog-like nose. As the glowing specimen flew towards me, I scrambled back to my tent, hiding inside until morning. When us campers woke up, we couldn't shake the feeling of being watched until we left the forest. My family later received a 3,000-pound fine from the council for my unregulated construction in the forest, as did my cousin Tim for building a small teepee around a tree using scattered dead branches. As I write what I fear is my final message to the world on my mum's net account, the floating green glow is drawing closer outside my window. I also want to apologize to my teacher, Mrs. Simmons, who was hospitalized after I rigged a petrol bomb under her desk as a prank after she called me a friendless oaf, as I fear this act will land me in hell. If you see the Temu-Tent, do not approach.